Hi guys, it's Mary. Welcome back. Today we're going to get into the empties. I'm just going to be reaching in here and grabbing things, so there's no particular order. And this is another one of those Relax Charcoal Champagne Body Scrubs that I got in FabFitFun. I don't have any more though, and I'm not going to purchase it. And you'll find out soon why, because I have found something so much better. First thing, this big old thing of lotion. Or moisturizer. This is by Medline, and I showed you guys this a long time ago, but it took me that long to get through here because I don't just use this exclusively. I have other moisturizers that I really like, but this one I discovered when my daddy was in the hospital. He had heart surgery, and that's been over like a year ago, I think. And this was up there in the hospital in his room, and I used it because, gosh, my hands needed it bad. This stuff felt so good on my hands, and having worked in a hospital before, I'm like, if the hospital trusts this for workers who wash their hands constantly all day long, then this is the moisturizer that you really want if you need it for cracked, dry hands. Next is the Premium Cotton Round, a 50 pack of Whispers, because I couldn't find the Beauty 360 ones I like. These are good, you know. I just happen to like the CVS Beauty 360s a little bit better. I went through another Oral-B Super Floss, and I've talked to you guys about this before. I buy them in bulk on Amazon. I use one every night to go through. I have a bar down here. Been there since they took off my braces in the 80s. And this is the only thing that works for me going through there. It's like fuzzy on one end with a stiffer threader, so you can thread it through your bar or whatever you need to get through and floss it. And I think they do a really good job of getting in there, helping with plaque. So yes, I'll always use this as long as they make it. I normally start with these two, but I didn't this time, right? So that would be Joint Bursts, which I talk to you about every month. These things taste like candy, and they do actually help me a little bit with my pain, if you can believe that. A little chewy gummy thing that tastes like pineapple really helps. And who can go without their vitamin C every single day? Not this girl. I take it on the inside, I take it on the outside. So yeah. Those are just placeholders. They stay in here so that I can feel free to throw away the real product every month. I believe this is Sephora's answer to Pixie Glow Tonic. It is a glyconic. It doesn't say on there really what it is percentage-wise, but I'm going to tell you that I was able to use this every single day. It comes with the pads already in it. I liked it, but I don't like it enough unless, you know, I'm buying a bunch of stuff on Sephora sale to go ahead and pick this up again. Those are convenient because the pads are already in there, but I found them to be somewhat dry. I've talked to you guys about ZzzQuil before. Oh, I did love using it. You may keep this on hand in an emergency, but I don't think that I will use this because I can't be trusted. I've been drinking chamomile at night instead, but I was using these every night until I realized that I'm, in essence, telling my body to stop making melatonin because I'm feeding it to it in this. This has melatonin plus chamomile and lavender. You eat 2 of these little purple gummies that have a weird but kind of nice taste to them, and then boom, it'll knock you out. You can trust this to get you your Z's. But I don't recommend doing this all the time for the reason I stated. You don't want your body to stop making melatonin. Oh my goodness, this stuff's good. This is the Alpha Skincare Renewal Body Lotion, Radiant Healthy Skin, 12% glycolic acid. If you're interested in making your skin look younger, yes, I really like this. Yes, I recommend this. I went through a Pixie Argan Oil. I don't know what it actually is called because I wore the label off of it. But I love this. But not for my face. I like it for my hair. I like spritzing this stuff in my hair. Right now I'm using the Milk Hydrating Oil. I just put it in my hand and my hair drinks it in because it's wiry and gray and it needs a drink. And these things are perfect. I spray them in my hair midday. It gives it a shine. It looks really pretty and Yes, I like this a whole bunch. This is another oil, Hada Lobo. This is the Hada Lobo cleansing oil that I love. I haven't found a cleansing oil I like better than this for a price that is just outstanding. So right now I'm using a Palmer's oil that I'm probably going to not finish because I just don't like it, and I'm going to get this instead. And if you are looking for a good cleansing oil, here you go. This is the candle by Bath & Body Works called Snowflakes and Citrus. And, well, I got it down, you know, as low as I probably could have burnt it a couple more times, but this is just too powerful to be shut in a room with. And Shy Guy has a problem with scent, as you guys know. So I shut myself in a room with candles, and I don't want one that is that strong. This is pretty strong. So if you have a room that you need a big throw, this one I think will get you what you want. I went through 2 of these. I just have one to show you. So this is the sunscreen that I've talked to you guys about a few times. It's by Skin Aqua. Actually, they have a blue tube for it now. But, you know, when I got it, I got a whole bunch of them, and so mine are in the yellow. I still have another one, and then I will be out of these. I'm just giving up now and throwing away my L'Oreal Brow Stylist. I loved this pencil. As you can see, there's just a little bit left in it, but with my hair this color, it's just the wrong shade. It's too warm, so I'm not going to use it. I'm pinching it. So I finally got to the end of my Benefit 24-hour brow setter. Yes, I have another one of these. I ain't going to be without this. I love this thing. This sets up like concrete, and I use it, not today, because I did something different in another video, but every day that I do my brows, I will lead with this. I'll come through my brows and get them to where they're like set, and they ain't moving. This product is something by Benefit that I just don't see me not using, because it helps me control the amount of product that goes into my brows. And like I said, don't judge them by today's brows, because this is actually eyeliner. I was doing something else. But yes, love that product. Elf Solid Cleanser. This, in my opinion, is the best cleanser to clean your sponges with. I love it. It does good for brushes, but lots of things do. But I've yet to find anything that cleans a sponge better than this, and it's like $4. This is the best hairspray on the planet. I'm just gonna say that. That's a mighty big claim. If you don't like Win, don't shut me down yet. Okay, the hairspray. Actually, it's not called hairspray. It's called Restorative Finishing Treatment Spray. And whether you like Win to cleanse your hair with or not, should not affect if you like this. The price might, though. It's kind of expensive, but I think it's well worth it. You can pick it up on QVC. You can go lightly into your hair, or it can have a lot of hold. Depends on you, and it leaves a shine in your hair, and it doesn't make it so you can't get your fingers through your hair. So this is fantastic. Yes, unfortunately, I will get this again. This is Green Clean by Farmacy. This is a balm that you take off your makeup with, and I loved it. It was a gift to me from my friend Marlene. But I'm not going to buy this, even though I did love this, because I found that the Physicians Formula actually does the same thing for a lot cheaper. So, but this is some good stuff right here. I stole these from my husband's doctor's office. I like them. I went through them really fast. This is CeraVe, but it's diabetic skin relief. So, I don't know. It just has that little extra, I think. I like it better than there's just straight up moisturizer. So, yeah, if I see it in the store, I haven't seen it in the store, but if I see it in the store, I'll pick this up. It's good stuff. This is my last L'Oreal Magic Lumi. I use it under my makeup, and it gives me a glow to my skin, and it's cheaper than Becca Backlight, which I also love. That doesn't keep me from buying it, but this is good stuff. I went through my Ordinary Niacinamide, and I have 2 backups. INKEY List Q10. So I bought this from Sephora, and it was okay. It was nice. I liked it. There's still just a tiny bit left in here. Let's put it on my hands. But I'm not going to buy this again because I don't think that it has enough Q10 in it. See, I think if I were going to buy Q10 again, which I love Q10, I would go back to the Timeless Q10. I just like Timeless better. This is the Tatcha water cream. It's a little, look at this cute little container. I'm tempted to keep this and put my pills in it in my purse. I think I will. I'll wash it out and keep it. But I couldn't resist. To be honest, I don't remember how I acquired this little deluxe sample of the water cream, but I did it because I love this product. I'm just not going to pay that much for it, but I love Tatcha water cream. Now the purple one, the one that comes in the purple tub, I forgot what that's called. That thing breaks me out, but this is good stuff. Do I really need to say anything? Oh, I love this. I love this stuff. Doesn't everybody do that? Don't they open it, smell it, and go, I love this stuff? Yeah, it's the Brazilian Bum Bum cream or Boom Boom cream, however you want to say it. But I love it, and I'm not going to tell you that I might not ask for this for Christmas. This is Sigma's Sigma-Matic Brush Scrub. It's genius, actually. It's got these little suction cups in it. Sticks to the side of your sink, and then once it's on there you can pull this apart, and there's soap, so it's sticking to the side of your sink, and as you're cleaning your brushes the soap starts to go away, and more of these nubbies are in here till you have no soap left. I like this a whole bunch, and I will probably always have one of these on hand. I like it. There's these air holes in here so that when you're done you can put this on and you don't have to worry about letting it stay out all night to dry, because it will dry. What I didn't like about this product is that at the end I had to do it this way because the soap will fall out. Once it gets to a certain spot, the soap falls out. And I wish that Sigma could somehow make this in a way that it was refillable. But the very way it's built says that's not possible, so it kind of gets wasted. So you could hold on to this and just hold it in your hand and clean with another cleaner, and that would be fantastic. And I might just go ahead and I'm just going to put it over here and not get rid of it and see if I want to use it like that. But I do have quite a few Sigma mattes and things, so I may not use that, but you could. This is a MAC brow pencil, and I'm getting rid of it for the same reason that I got rid of the other. Not that it's not good, but this particular product I really like because if you can get the right shade, right? Because it does, with this tip, let you draw little hairs. And I mean, you can go like that and make a thick hair. You can just barely swipe it and make little tiny hairs, right? Look at these. But this is the wrong shade. And I would buy this product solely for that end. It does have another end. On this end is like a powder that you can use through the rest of your brows. So you use this part through the thick of it, and then put the cap back on there, and then this part, of course, would go for the front. Now look, they're two different colors. And it's meant to be that way to give you a dimensional brow. And it, you know, you would control this better than this, but this is just flat out too warm and the wrong shade. My shade, in case you want to know, is called Stud. But see, this is on here, and then you can wipe and this won't come off. So good product. Really like it. Think it's worth it. This is really nice to throw in your purse, or you're traveling or whatever. Just grab 2 or 3 of these, whatever you need. I love this little thing, and of course I'm going to buy some more of these because there are nights where I'm just lazy and I just want to grab one of these, take off my makeup really quick, go in and wash my face and put on my skincare. I don't want to do the whole 2 cleanse method, and these are really good for that. Since I like these, I'll probably go ahead and pick up the regular Neutrogena makeup wipes as well. I went through one of my Mad Hippie Vitamin C's. You know I already have another one. Last thing, the tube of Mad Lash Black Mascara. I've told you guys this has been in my favorites before. This mascara is a good mascara. It has this really wide comb on it. And because of this comb, I think it's really good for grabbing every last lash and pulling through. I really like this mascara. I also really like Scuba. which I'm still using. So I think that the Balm is a really underrated company that we don't hear a lot about, but I like their stuff. I hope that you guys know you're the best part of the Fritzy family. If you're not having a blessed day, please go out and be a blessing to somebody else. And until next time, love you, see ya, bye. And I'm out.
This is an 80 count pack of Swispers. Swispers. You think they'll hire me? But this is the Pexi Argan Bath and Body Works. Yay, I said it right that time. I didn't say Bed Bath and Beyond. Oh gosh, there's hair on it. Hair! I hate hair on there. No, I don't hate hair, Lord. I just don't want hair that's not on my head, on things. Goodbye, baby. So long. Farewell. It's time to say goodbye. I think that's actually good night. I think it actually goes, so long, farewell, it's time to say good night. This Farmacy's Green Clean, and I used it all up. Really? Because that's why it's in the empties, right? You're like a monkey with a tambourine. Like this is a tambourine. Monkey with cymbals. Yay, Mary! Thief! Somebody call the cops! Don't you dare. I stole these from the doctor's office. Yeah. Works is called Stud. Okay. Mac, you stud! Love me now or leave me forever. Get the makeup wife out. Makeup wife? It's a makeup wife. But I think that the Balm's Scuba Diver and... It's not Scuba Diver, it's Scuba. Scuba-dubba-doo! Until next time, love you, see ya, bye. And what are you hanging around here for? Get off me!